Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with another question from Math Module 2B, Bluebook Test 1, this time question 18. It's a fun question having to do with isosceles right triangles. So let's get started. An isosceles right triangle has a hypotenuse of length 858 inches. What is the perimeter in inches of this triangle? Okay, so hypotenuse of a right triangle, right, is the side across from the right angle. And this is going to be a right angle. We're going to have isosceles means two sides are equal. So this is a special right triangle, right, where we have x, x, and x root 2. Like this, right? And it's asking for the perimeter, so we have to add them all together. But first we need to find what x is. So the hypotenuse is 58. And this is a 45, 45, 90, right? Because that makes an isosceles right triangle. So 58 equals x root 2. There was a question like this on the October test. I think a little more challenging than this, but I'll put a link up here for you to see that. So x root 2 equals 58. So we're going to divide by root 2 to get x by itself. And that's going to be x equals 58 over root 2. Okay? And we don't like to have roots on the bottom usually, so we're going to multiply by root 2 on top. Root 2 on the bottom. It's just a notation thing. It makes it more workable. So that's going to be 58 root 2 over 2, which equals 29 root 2. Okay, so that is x. Now we have x. I'm going to switch it up to red to do some work there. And I'm also going to erase a bit. Okay, so, well, I'm going to erase after. Also, I saw a really good movie tonight, Wild Robot. I would recommend it if you have a chance to see it in theaters. They're not paying me to say this. It's really just generally very good. And if you can't see it in the theaters, definitely worth seeing it at home too. You know, we all got to have our breaks from work and studying. So let's see. Okay. So we have that. The perimeter, right, is going to be, I'm going to write it here. Perimeter equals x plus x root 2. So it's going to be 2x plus x root 2. And x is 29, right? This is x. Let's see where it went. All right, so then we're going to do that. Now I'll do some erasing. Okay. I'll erase here. Okay. And now up here, let's do this, right? So 2 okay, 2 29 root 2 plus 29 root 2 times root 2. This is going to be 58 root 2 plus 29 times root 2 times root 2 is going to be 29 times 2, which equals 58. So we have 58 plus 58 root 2. And that is, any takers? Not A, right? A does not work for us here. Okay, good. Not B. It has to be C, 58 plus 58 root 2. Okay, so we're going to do C. Okay, so this one we just have to find what x is. There's other ways to do it. You could think of 58 as x and then do just x divided by root 2, but I usually think of the legs as the x's. And I'm sure people have other brilliant ways to do this one. So if you have one of those ways, put it in the comments. Let's share that. And I hope the sun is shining down on you. And if it's raining, I hope it cleans your windows and nourishes your plants. All right, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.